Hello everybody, it's Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading. No one has contacted me. The two winners did not contact me, so I'm pulling two more names. And this one is, let's see who we got here. It is Agnes Reese. Agnes Reese. And let's see who we got next here. Targeted Truth Finder. Targeted Truth Finder. Targeted Truth Finder, Agnes Reese. Please send me an email at alternativehomesteading@gmail.com. Congratulations. And lastly, I've been posting some shorts and some videos. And there is a stalker on the channel who is intentionally downvoting the videos. So it goes from 100% to 60% as soon as I post the video. So I'm going to catch these creatures, these new subscribers, these new stalkers. And the gorilla guy keeps sending emails and tagging. If he's tagging you and you're not subscribed to his channel, report him to YouTube. He's a stalker, a perpetrator. He's a fusion center operative, a paid for hire loser. So please, and I thank you so much for sending me articles. I appreciate it. But I'm going to cut this short now. It's very windy here and warm, and I've got a lot of stuff to do. So congratulations to Targeted Truth Finder, Agnes Reese. Please contact me at alternativehomesteading@gmail.com. Talk to you soon, guys.